see what we've got in here. Oh, now this is cute. It comes with a little tote bag that could actually be handy if I was going to use it for RVing, but I'm going to use it on a small trailer that's more or less going to stay put. £6,000 capacity. Adjustable 11 to 17 inches. Now, that seems a little bit wobbly at that height. But I imagine it would do the job. Yeah. A little bit wobbly. So that's what you're getting into. Wow. That's a lot of motion. Okay, well, here's what I'm trying to do is level up this cute little Shasta that sits in our backyard. So I've jacked it up a little bit. Now I'm going to put this block under there, and then I'm going to try out these jack stands. Easy. All right, I think that's level enough. So here's our jack stand. I'm going to put a little bit of bicycle chain grease on there. Bicycle chain oil. I just feel like it can't hurt. Not a whole lot, but I feel like there's going to be a lot of stress on that screw, and if there's a little bit of oil on there, the oil is worked in. All right, let's see how this works. Probably wouldn't hurt to put a drop of oil on here too. I think I'm pushing this little car jack to its limits. That's the screw, both of these. Now it'll lift 1,000,000 pounds. By the way, this thing has wheels and tires, so even if it fell off this jack, it won't crush me. Just so you know, I am paying a little bit of attention to safety. Not much, but a little bit. Whew. Oh, sh**. That's what we're afraid of. I think it was the jack. Safe load 800 kilograms. Holy crap, we were lifting a lot more than that. Well, luckily it didn't fall on me. And my jack is intact. So I say we dig deeper and lift it from there. All right, let's give that a shot. All right. The trailer is sitting on the jack. Seems pretty stable, actually. See, I'm pushing flanges on the trailer. Pretty hard, actually. So I think my concern about the stability, wow, that's a lot of motion, was unfounded. It seems to be perfectly stable. So far so good with these trailer jacks, although it did cost me a jack. So I learned a little lesson about using a little import car jack. It can't handle this kind of weight. What was I thinking? I'm giving these trailer jacks a thumbs up. They're doing exactly what they're supposed to do. All right, cheers.